What's up, everybody? Just want to shoot a quick video testimonial for Brad. I've been working with Brad for a number of years now as a coach, and as well as taking his course, and it's absolutely phenomenal. The quality of the content, the production quality of the content, the value that you get from the course, his videos, his coaching, his tutelage, his mentorship. It's hard to put a value on. Like, it's insane how valuable it is. I've generated, I started my freelancing business and my consultancy, my agency, probably a little over a year ago, and I bought his course a little over a year ago. I think it was one of the earlier iterations of the course, and just from that, within the year, off of my consultancy and my agency alone, I've made a little over $50,000, and this includes building websites, and this includes running ads and creating an ads agency. My agency's just evolved over time, and a lot of it is just with the help of Brad and his course. So highly recommend, if you're sitting on the fence about trying to figure out whether or not you want to buy or purchase or anything like that, the value you get out of the course is unbelievable. So thanks again, Brad. I really appreciate what you do and what you do for your students. I'm forever grateful. Thanks.